Welcome to Mike ID's online cooking class for Thai vegetarian and vegan cooking. The following dish is Mike ID's curry fried rice. Please note this is for a single serving. For ingredients, you will need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of tofu, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili, 1 tablespoon of chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of chopped carrot, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of mixed vegetables, and 1 bowl of cooked white rice. In the wok, heat up a tablespoon of oil. Once it sizzles, add a tablespoon of tofu. When the tofu is golden brown, add a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of chili, and stir. Then add a tablespoon of chopped tomato, a tablespoon of chopped onion, and stir. Throw in a tablespoon of chopped carrot, mix in the vegetables for about half a minute. Then pour in a tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of brown sugar. Add in a teaspoon of curry powder, followed by a tablespoon of mixed vegetables. Stir the ingredients thoroughly and add in a tablespoon of water if the wok is getting too dry. Lastly, throw in a bowl of rice and mix thoroughly for a good minute and a half. And there you have it, Mike ID's curry fried rice.